Hello, welcome to Gardener's World and welcome to my garden. This is a new chapter for Gardener's World, but obviously it's my home. And we've been here 20 years, and my wife Sarah and I have made this garden from scratch during that period. Now, I love it, and I hope that as you get to know it better, you'll get as much pleasure from it as I do every single day. Joining me this year will be old friends Carol Klein, Rachel Detain, and Joe Swift. Each week, Carol will be visiting some of the best gardens that are open to the public and finding lots of seasonal inspiration. Joe and Rachel will be travelling the country, offering advice and a helping hand to fellow gardeners. But I'll always be here at Longmeadow, working and looking after the garden just as I have done for the last 20 years.